crazy, man. You know, can't explain it, man. I don't know, man.
Some lithium, prescribe me Ritalin, lock me in looting bin, straight jacket strap me in, hearing voices again, it's Charlie Manson, speaking Islamic and he telling me to kill a man. He tell me trust him, fuck the cutties, he's my closest friend. It's for life, and it's him laughing when I meet my end. Damn, somebody help me get this blood up off my hands. I try to wipe it off, but it keep reappearing. Somebody get my mama, somebody bring me preacher. I need a meat cleaver, nah, I need Jesus. Charlie say he don't see us, I'm trapped here with the demons. I pray every day, it seems I get the silent treatment. So I'm here frequent, PCP I don't need it, but I wanna get wet. Phoenix, evil genius, was decent as a fetus, but when mama delivered, I will serial killers take your soul with 9 million. Holocaust program, in your hands, perfect poison, the cutthroat fans. Holocaust program, in your hands, perfect poison, the cutthroat fans. Holocaust program, in your hands, perfect poison, the cutthroat fans. Holocaust program, in your hands, perfect poison, the cutthroat fans. Wanna get hype, me slit your wrist the right way. On Friday the 13th, I'm in your psyche. Don't try to fight me, just let it go. It's no use, fool, you're under my control. A cold soul was a 44 equal, a Negro tag toe, and his mama crying, oh no. What the fuck we own? Devil music and Patron, Antonio Montana, Paraguay and Dizzos. Possessed by Drago, speaking tongues on the microphone. Welcome to the Terradome, you have arrived. Let's pray to Mac, Allah you survive. Holocaust cause genocide. Don't have to press rewind and get the message in my rhyme. Follow me to the last days in a purple haze, some Jonestown Kool-Aid and a double shot of Hennessy. I'll take you there, just get prepared, don't have to be scared, brace yourself.